Kani kedai ke Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ke kubur baman kasni, belawan rasa pi da ke rupa, ringkat bat ke orange Nissan, lom sokpo near Fire Brigade Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Myntri Tnat Pule Puthi jong sarkar jela uma lakmen rumbui haka new tarik unailar arjar khat khandai ula play pai ba ya website jong Kiang Nangbah Government College harangkat ke jingin don lang jong MLA ke Jowai constituency uma wailat miki shilla but MLA jong mukayau uma nujorki sungo but ki he ke Tnat Pule Puthi ke sarkar jela Nalor ke jing play ya ke website Myntri Tnat Pule Puthi ula play pai baru ya ke jakasa dan ni ke hostel jong ki shinrang bar ke jakasa jong ki kintai bar hagani ke juhi ke sngi ula play ru ya ke semi smart classroom jong ke college hagani ke sngi na kaliang ki samla Pule ke college ki badon hapo ke shatri jong ke Kiang Nangbah Government Students Union kila IT ya ke dorkhas hau Myntri hak bayadei bar ke jing dawa na ke sarkar ban penbiang ya ki jing don kam jong ni ke college.
As we all know, education is the only key. It is the only key to success. I think we all agree on that. There's no other way. There's no other road which you can achieve your success except education. And interestingly, there's no shortcut also. There's no shortcut to success. So that's why I request all of the students, while you still get this opportunity, do not waste it. Wake up before it's too late. This is the only road where you can shape your life, where you can shape your future. And if you waste it, that means your life is gone, your future is gone. So be careful. As long as all parents or guardians, they provide everything that we need to pursue our study, do not waste this good opportunity.
In today's age, with the transformation of education, there has always been a need to upgrade the education system, and one such areas is the use of information and technology. And I believe that with the inauguration of the computer laboratory, it will help the student immensely, and most importantly, the launching of the college website. I hope that it will ease and cater the student immensely because the digital age is here. The student will be able to pay for their fees, get update on their exam, the tests, and the other curricular activities of the college. All of this shows the commitment of the state government. Till today, I still remember. I hope most of you also remember that you students have to leave your studies aside and have to come to the road to demand for this very same issue. So today I'm really happy that we able to achieve. And also, yes, this college is one of the oldest and the only government college in Jainti Hills. And there is a lot that need to be improved and introduced. And I personally assure you that I will do whatever it takes in my personal capacity to ensure that this college will enlighten the life and shape the future of our society and country. These hostels and lab and the college, you can say that it belongs to the government. But I tell you that the government is here for you. And I urge you must make the best use of this that is provided to you. Because this can help you in making a bright future for yourself. When you are in the hostel, the lab, or in the college campus, treat them as your own room or your own house. Because once you start doing so, I request you that to please to treat these things as your own. You should be focused in your studies and ensure that you bring laurels not only to yourself or your family, but the college. And in that way, the government would ensure that there is no stone left unturned when it comes to the need and requirement of this college. Also, that now we have achieved these issues, there are another thing that need to be done, and the first one is getting of Tnat accreditation.
It was my first day. I was so excited and anxious. Telling you the truth, it took me 3 hours to dress up in the morning to face this new life. I was expecting a good welcome, meeting a new friends, and was thinking of having a good time. But when I reached here, the gate was closed and the classes were boycotted. Those expectations turned out to be opposite. My 3 hours of dress up in the morning were wasted. And at that particular moment, I had no idea about what was going on and happily continued my upcoming classes. On 10 November 2015, the Students' Union, along with the students, marched out the protest rally towards the DC office to appeal for the fulfillment of a 7-point charter of demand. One of them was the renovation of the boys' hostels and the openings of the girls' hostel. Unknowingly, I had participated at that rally. As a newly joined student, it was just a fun for us. But that rally turned out to be otherwise. Students were beaten, and unluckily I was one of them. And at a particular day, it made me dream of becoming a leader of this college to help the students, and I put the boys' hostel and the girls' hostel as one of my manifesto to approach to the government. So in the year 2016 and 2017, I was just preparing myself and learning about Kiang Nangbah Government College. And in 2018, I got an opportunity to contest in the Students' Union election as a president. With the help of the students, I won this election, together with the 11 members of the Students' Union body. In this one-year journey of ours, I faced many struggles. It was not an easy path for us, but we never turned back nor gave up. Through the help of the principal, together with the members of the teaching faculty and the students, we all tried a level best to solve the problems of the college as much as possible.
The education system in the state. Kiang Nangbah Government College, as the principal has already mentioned, that we have already submitted the application for the integrated course of BA, BEd, BSc, BEd or BCom, BEd. I'm sure that by next session we will be able to start this course, because my fellow student, remember, by 2030, mark it, that all the teachers should be completed the 4 years BA, BEd or BSc, BEd. That is the minimum. 2030. And now you must have seen that the regulation have been changed, that by 2021 all faculties in the college will be PhD. So you as the young mind, you have to prepare now only what you want to do in the future. We know in this draft education policy that all the stand-alone institution will be closed down. That means by died. We have 7 died. We have to close down. We have a B.Ed in Tura. We have to close down. But we have taken the decision. We have told the principal to apply so that to the Rongkhon, CTE Rongkhon could be converted as the branch of the Tura Government College. We are aware of the problem we will face, but we have to find ways and means. That one of the recommendation in this draft education policy is that all the degree course will be a 4-year course. So you have to prepare your mind now only. What is the future ahead? And from the draft education policy, we have seen, since there is no die, that means the qualification of the primary school teachers will be BA, B.Ed, BSc, B.Ed, or become B.Ed. Because in this B.Ed, we have seen that for primary level and upper primary, secondary level. So this change is happening. So as the student, after finishing from the Kiang Government College, you must know what I should do, so that you will prepare your mind beforehand, so that by the time you finish, you will not say that I do this course, I regret doing this course. There is a one saying that we are the author of our own script of life. So that we have a time to edit and scripted it according to the situation which we face. From July 2019, we have sent to the Government of India. We have fixed. The fee fixation committee have met, and we have recommended that for group 1, 35,000, group 2, 25,000, group 3, 20,000, group 4, 15,000 post-matric scholarship. It is a 300% jump. It is not a small measure. You may tell that, oh, Maramboy, he told that increased scholarship by this July 19. What about the old scholarship which we didn't get last year? Process you must understand. We are alive to your problem. That's why I think that with this intervention to increase the scholarship, no student could say that I don't have money to pay my school fees, because this fee fixation committee have already fixed. Nangbah Government College Student Union, for what the college need, I know I will see what we can do, because this you are not asking for yourself. Not a single government college have been not accredited. We have to take response, each and every department. Don't wait. Make it your obligation, make it your goal that we should do. We should help each other. Don't tell that this is the duty of the NAC coordinator. What is a NAC coordinator? He is only to coordinate within the department. So kindly finish, because had it been Kiang Government College have been not accredited, this year itself, seeing the problem of the student to get admission, would have able to start the PG course, even here. So let us do it. That's why I told the principal that on the 15th of September 2019, I will come here with my officers to review what you have done for this process of Tnat accreditation. Because I want by any means Kiang Nangbah Common College and other college per se, the other common college should have the Tnat accreditation. This was Kublechwon Mithala Jai Hind. Thank you.
Ms. Vandaka Langstang from the Department of Physics has secured the 9th position. Longbun Poktai, and now from the Department of Merciful Dhar with 63.75%.